All right, y'all. I know it's been a minute, but I am back with another Family Dollar 5 off of 25 breakdown. This breakdown is good for March the 25th. That is tomorrow, Saturday, March the 25th. If you follow along with my deals, make sure you clip all your digital coupons, including the 5 off of 25 coupon. Get your number to $25, enter your number at the register, and watch your total drop. If you follow my deals, these are the items you will want to pick up tomorrow at Family Dollar. You would want to pick up one Arm & Hammer, 45.5 to 67.5 ounces for $5.50, and there's a $2 off coupon. One Gain liquid laundry detergent, 75 ounces for $7.45 with a $2 off coupon. One Scott 12 count toilet paper rolls for $5 with a $1 off coupon. One Febreze fabric refresher for $5, and there is a $3 off coupon. And then lastly, you want to pick up one Suave deodorant, 2.6 ounce, and it did say powder scent for $2.70, and there's a 50-cent off coupon. Remember, the goal is always to get to at least $25. As you see, our total came out to $25.65. Then you're going to come over here and subtract your $8.50 in coupons, which brings you down to $17.15. But remember, you also clip the 5 off of 25 coupon, and your total out of pocket will only be $12.15 plus tax. That's $12.15 out of pocket plus tax for all of these great items tomorrow at Family Dollar. Download the app, clip your coupons, enter your number at the register, watch that total drop. Have a good one.